believers. Now, kayo pag sinabing do good, ano sabihin nyo? Pastor naman, Kristiyano kami. It goes without saying, we've been reading the Bible for so long. We know to do good. Sino ganun magsalita nyo? Yun yung iniisip nyo. Aminin nyo. Diba? Parang, pastor naman, nag-preach ka pa, napakasinta niya. Diba? So, let me tell you what Paul means when he says do good. Nakita mo yung, ano po? Sabi dito, repay no evil for evil, but give thought to what is honorable. Live peaceably. Diba? Previous to this, bless those who persecute you. Anong ibig sabihin niya? Do good is the ethical imperative. What is the hindrance to doing good? Here. Do good in the midst of evil in front of you. Do good even when you're wrong. Do good even when you're betrayed. Do good even when you're weeping. Do good even when you're wounded. Kasi ngayon, ma-wound ka lang. Oh, hurt ako. Mag-rest muna kasi I want to rest because I'm hurt. I don't want to do good. No contact with people muna. When people are betrayed, ano gagawin nyo? Puto nga. Anong dugod? Ang paninda eh. Di ba? Ganun yung iniisip na. Dugod mo mukha mo. Yun yung iniisip natin. Why? Listen. The ethical imperative of doing good is easy if everything's okay. But you know what Paul is saying? Do good even when evil is present. Bless even when you're persecuted. Do not repay evil with evil, but honor. Show honor to those. Ito ibig sabihin nun. Pag nasa kumpanya mo, ikaw, at chinismis ka, ano sasagutin mo? Chichismisin din kita. Diba? You will repay evil. Ano sabi? Pag binitray ka, pag chinismis ka, nung tingnan ka ng mas makulong ng paa, anong gagawin mo? Mamahalin mo siya. Kaya mo, ang hirap, no? Ang hirap. Kasi gusto mong kumante. Chinismis ka, chismisin mo rin. Siniraan ka, dumugin mo din. Diba? Kasi eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth, mouth to mouth, hand to hand. You know, lahat na lang, ganti-ganti. Yan ang gusto natin. The imperative, ethical imperative is to do good. The obstacle is what? Evil is always present. But what is the near future hope? Alam mo kung bakit sinasabi ni Paul that do good even when evil is done against us? Because sabi niya, pag may tumalo sa'yo, ako ang sagot. Vengeance is the Lord's. Pero sino sa atin, gusto natin tayo ang maggaganti. Tayo ang maninigaw. Tayo. Yan. Chismis mo. Chismisin din kita. Sino sa inyo na-chismis na kayo? Yung siniraan na kayo? Wala? Grabe. Ang gaganda naman ng kumpanya nyo. Alam mo na kung bakit. Pastor, never ako nasiraan. Bakit? Ako ang naninira. Kaya naman pala yun yung problema, kayo ang naninira. What is the imperative? Do good. What is the obstacle? Evil is present. You will be betrayed. How many of you have been betrayed? Sakit, di ba? Ano gusto mong gawin pag binitray ka? Gaganti ka. Ano sabi dito? Pag binitray ka, mahalin mo pa rin. Tapos si Lord ang bahala. Why are we confident? Why are we confident in doing good? Because it is the Lord who will avenge us. It is not for us to avenge those who have wronged us. As far as we are concerned, we continue to do good. So, sino sa inyo, excited niyo sa ethical imperative na yun? Wala, iba? Wala. Gusto ko pa rin bumantik. No? Alam ko yung prayer ng iba sa inyo. Lord, may I be the instrument of your vengeance. Sino ka naman prayer? Lakas